Welcome guys. So in this series what we are going to do, we are going to learn Appwrite as well as we are going to integrate Appwrite using Flutter as well as Android. First of all, we are going to make the application in Flutter and then we will port the same thing from Flutter to Apple. So this is just an introduction video of what an Appwrite is and how you can get to know about the Appwrite more and what are the things that make Appwrite a good backend solution for your device. So let's jump back. Let's jump to the application, or let's jump to the Appwrite.io and let's see what are the things they offer. So what Appwrite is, it is an entire backend within the minimum within minutes and scale effortlessly using Appwrite open source platform. So Appwrite is an open source platform. You can just clone the repo, you can fork your Appwrite, and you can just start your own backend. You can fork the repo, and using the Docker image you can run your Appwrite in your own Docker instance. It does play a good role in open sourcing. So let's jump to their community section, their blog section, integration, changelog, and pricing section. You can go through the Appwrite.io website. It is a good website, like pretty interactive, pretty good website. They have made it right here. So let's jump to the first community section. It has such great numbers such as 45.1k GitHub stars, 3k pull requests, and multiple other achievements they have successfully done. The best way to connect with the Appwrite community is by the Discord. There are a bunch of other things you can see right there. I recommend you to join their GitHub as well as join the Discord channel as well. Let's jump to the Discord of Appwrite. As you can see, I have already joined the Appwrite Discord. It is a very great place. You can learn from the community, you can ask the community. It is a general section. You can ask your question here. When you jump back to the Appwrite Discord, you have to first introduce yourself, like what do you do. Like there are a bunch of peoples they have introduced first. Yep. And let's say if there is an incident in the cloud, we post it here. So Appwrite does post, let's say if there is an incident, past incident happens, or let's say if there any problem you are facing in the Appwrite, you can ask here. Maintainers, you can ask about the PR request here. Let's say you got any ideas, you can ask about here. You can post it here and you can ask the edit. Like there are so many core team members, heroes, moderators, quality, and there are so much big community. They can help you at any time. You can showcase your product as here. Let's say you build something simple to do application. If you build using the Appwrite, you can post it here. See, someone has already built and to the application. He has posted here. You can post the tools here. You can, let's say you got an awesome meme, a good meme, you can post it here. Like we do get burned ourselves, so memes plays an important part, to light ourselves. You can ask the question of off topic. Like there are a bunch of other discussion going on about the off topic. You can join here and ask them, or let's say tell them you get to know about an interesting topic which is not regarding Appwrite. You can write here. There is commands. Let's say you can, there are a bunch of other commands which you can see. Let's say rank, daily, buy coins, other stuff. It is just a Discord interaction thing. You can, okay, this is the most important channel, support channel. In this channel, what is going to happen, that let's say you got a question. Let's say I create a, let's say demo. This is where you ask, let's say you have asked a question and you wanted to see or track that. So there are a bunch of things which I've asked in the past. Let's say this is a support thread which I get to be part of. Let's say I wanted to ask something so that they can link there, so you can create a support thread as well. I'll show you how you can create a support thread. Let's say this is one of my teammates asked a question, how to do it. We were facing some issue with the function domain setup, so we asked and created the the support thread, and here is our solution. So it is a good part that if you got any problem, you just open the support thread and you have to wait patiently for a community member or a core member to help with you. You cannot just tag everyone, moderators, heroes, or any core members to just ask for the help. You have to wait patiently to get the answer. How to ask question, I can show you. Just click on new post. You can let's say demo, and you can enter your message. Let's say I am getting some problem with that, or some problem with the function or something. Make sure to add the text. Let's say you are using Appwrite as self-host, you can click self-host. If you are using as cloud, you can click cloud. You can unselect the self-host. Let's say you are using Flutter, click Flutter. If you are using Apple, Android, whatever you wanted, you can just go right here and search for it. And most importantly, you just have to be patient, and they will mostly the queries get solved within 24 hours if it is not that much complex. So, and there are one more section which is very important, and which is called stage section. At every Thursday 9:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, there is a AMA section, ask me anything, or office hours you can say. I generally call that AMA because you get to know about the Appwrite more, you get to ask the questions, you get to know about things Appwrite is currently doing, some spoilers and some events you can join it right there. So as you can see, if you see at the I think event section, there is you can pin that as interested and you can join that. It is a very fun and interactive session they always have. If you see right here, I've joined it, so you can see there are a bunch of other chats that has been going on, some of asking questions, and most of them are answered by the Appwrite community as well as Steven and Aditya Oberoi. They get on the stage and they simply just answer your queries. Okay, so that's it for the community section of the Appwrite. Now let's jump back to the website and let's see what are the other features Appwrite does provide. If you see the blogs, Appwrite does write some good blogs. See, at the introduction of backups, how you can do that, Dino versus Burn, introduction to Appwrite education program, 15. So it is not mostly about Appwrite, it is an overall knowledge. You can see Flutter versus React Native, a modern developer guide, and so. You can just go right here and see, should you stop using OTP SMS now, a bunch of other articles. You can see the accessibility case studies, and there are so many things they do in their blog section. You can go right here and learn more about it. And let's say if you got any doubt, you know where to ask them. Let's go to the integration part. I don't know why, but there is some problem when I go to the integration part. I can just probably have the question on the Appwrite cloud page, Appwrite community section, not the cloud page, sorry about that. If you see right here, there are so many things which you can do. OAuth with Google, how you can do that. See, it is written here. How you can do that. Prompt GPT, subscription Stripe, SMS Twilio, and so much other things. How you can integrate with that. Push notification with APNs, other stuff. And let's jump to the changelog. At this page, you can see what are the things that are being fixed, what are the things that are being created, or let's say what are the things that are being improved as well. Let's say performance improvement to Appwrite Cloud and whatever it is. Generally the old bugs get solved, and they are moving further to make the Appwrite platform more bug free. And let's jump back to the pricing section. We are going to use free for this particular web series until unless we get pro. Just kidding, guys. Let's see, we will use free for now. And the most good about the pro plan is that it is some perks you use, like unlimited project. Everything which is included in the free plan is included in the pro plan, as well as it is just a top of 300 GB of bandwidth, 150 GB of storage, executions, monthly active users, organization logs, email support, daily backup, store for 7 days, add-ons, and unlimited buckets and functions. You can use the scale, but it is coming soon. And for the custom, let's say you wanted a very large project and let's say you want very much storage than those things, then you can ask them. And let's jump back to our doc section. This is the most visited site we are going to visit throughout the complete tutorial. So first let's jump to the Flutter thing, and then we will go to Apple, because in this video we are going to do those stuff for Apple and Flutter. So if you see, we have auth, databases, function, messaging, storage, and AI. Right now we are going to use for Flutter for that, and we are going to learn more about how we can integrate Flutter with Appwrite. There are so many things which you can do, like assistant we are going to learn, and let's see what are the things they provide. It is a quick start. You can go right here. It is the list of all the SDKs which the Appwrite provide, and Appwrite does increase their list of SDK, like the .NET is just being launched, and the Go, it is in beta, but it will soon get in the official channel. It is official, but it will take time, like a real-time API, REST API, GraphQL APIs. There are some protocols which you can follow, utility class, so much to do with Appwrite and with Flutter. And yeah, that's probably it for the SDK purpose. SDK thing, like there are API reference, you can create the account, users, databases, teams, storage, functions, localization, messaging, and avatars. So there are so many things which we are going to cover in the upcoming tutorials, upcoming videos. And don't worry about the Flutter and Apple thing. We are going to provide, I am going to provide you the Flutter solution and Apple solution. And yeah, that's probably it for today's video. And right now I'm quite busy, so I'm going to record the section those session on the Sundays, so video might get delayed until unless I got plenty of time. So that's probably it for today. And if you got any problem in my previous videos, and if you got any question about this video, you can reach me out in the comment section, or you can reach me out to my handles on the LinkedIn, which you'll get the link on the my description, as well as this particular web series, not the web series, I mean the whole series will be free. I'm not going to charge any money for that. So you can subscribe my Patreon if you want. It is just an optional thing. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, I am happy for that. So yeah, that's probably it. Kind of self promotion. Just kidding, guys. So let's see where we reach with this tutorial part. And keep learning, keep exploring, and do let me in the comment section how do you like the approach. And let's say if you wanted to contribute or collaborate with me, you can reach me out in my socials, Instagram or Twitter. Not the Instagram, let's leave the Instagram aside. LinkedIn and Twitter, and let's see what we got from that. So if you wanted to support me, you can get the link from buy me a coffee, I think, in the description. And bye bye, guys.